Good evening.
Good evening, children. How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Fine,
evening,
ma'am.
beta. Good evening. Good evening, Gagana. Sahiti, good evening. Are you there?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. I'm
Good
fine,
evening,
beta.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. What about you?
Fine.
So, children, today we are going to revise understanding quadrilateral. Okay? Okay, children? Pick up, kids.
Okay, ma'am.
Screen is visible, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first of all, in quadrilateral, we know that a closed four-sided figure is called quadrilateral, right? In which four vertices are there, right? Four vertices, four sides, and four angles. Angle and their angle sum property is angle A plus angle C plus angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Oh, sorry, 360 degree, right?
Good evening, ma'am. मैं join late
Good
ma'am
evening.
करती हूँ. Say what for
Just I have started with understanding quadrilateral. So in which in quadrilateral the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree and angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Okay, beta? These are opposite angles. And angle B and angle D, they are also opposite angles. And what do you mean by adjacent? Angle A and angle B, these are adjacent angles.
Ma'am, they should have a sum of 180.
Yeah. And angle B and angle C, also adjacent. C and D also adjacent. And D and A are adjacent. Okay, children? And angle sum property we have done. Now, sometime, which type of question they can give you in the exam? Suppose three angles are given. Suppose three angles of quadrilateral are 54 degree, 80 degree and 116 degree. Then find the measure of fourth angle. Okay. So how we will find three angles are there? So in quadrilateral, so you can suppose let the fourth angle be x. And angle sum property. So by using, we know that sum of angles of a is 360 degree. So 54 degree plus 80 plus 116 is plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Clear, children? Sahiti, Gagna, Lasya, Charan, Rudra, Zubair.
Ma'am, we have to find the extra, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will find the value of x. Okay, Sahiti and Zubair, Rudra, Charan, Gagna. Please unmute yourself, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 360 degree minus. Now add all these. So you will get 250 degree. So value of x will be 110. So at the last, you will write your answer as, therefore, the fourth angle
Is 110.
is equal to 110 degree. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, sometime they can give you the angles in the form of ratio. Fine. So, the four angles.
And then we have to write like 5x and 3x.
Yeah.
Suppose.
Four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:5:8. Find the angles. Solve it, children. Hurry up. Varshit.
Ma'am, I just joined now.
Okay. So here we have given the angles in the form of ratio only, and we have to find the angles. So if you have given angles in ratio, then you will suppose let the
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
yeah
Ma'am, here 2:3:5:8 is there. Correct. So these all are individual numbers. We wrote the ratio form.
yeah.
Ma'am, I
So you
got
will
the.
suppose. Okay, Charan, what is your answer?
Ma'am, so if we do 2x plus 5x plus 3x plus 8x is equal to 360, 18x
Yeah.
is equal to 360, x will be 20, so we have to multiply it by 2, so it will be 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 100 degrees, 160 degrees.
Yes, very good. So 2x plus 5x plus 3x plus 8x will be equal to 360 degree. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus this will be 18x is equal to 360 degree. Then value of x will be 20 degree, right? So you can write angles are 2x. So 2 into 2, 20, 40 degree. And then 3x. So 3 into 20, 60 degree. And then 5x. 5 into 20, 100 degree. And then 6x is equal to 6 into 20 degree, 120. So all have
Ma'am,
understood, children?
8x, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, 8x. So all have understood this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now next question is, suppose a figure is given like this. Clear? So in the figure, the bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at point P. And if angle C is equal to 100 degree and angle D is equal to 60 degree, then find the value of angle APB. Is there any idea how we will solve it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to add 160 will get 160 subtracted by 360 we have to do,
Okay.
and we'll get the answer for
Ma'am, is
AP
AP 200 degrees?
Yes. Pranav, good evening, beta. So here what you will do, children? So first of all, you will find the value of angle. We know that the sum of
30.
all angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be equal to 360 degree, right? Angle A plus angle B is not given. Angle C is 100. Angle D is 60 degree is equal to 360. So now angle A plus angle B will be equal to 360 degree minus 160 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 200. Now we are given that AP and PB are the angle bisector. So now you can divide because we want a half of angle. So divide equation 1 by 2. Okay, by 2. So half of angle A plus half of angle B will be equal to 100 degree. Is it clear, children? So you can take in triangle APB. So half of angle A plus half of angle B plus this triangle I am taking angle APB. So half of angle A is this, half of angle B this angle. Now we have to find this angle. So angle APB will be equal to 180. Triangle angle sum property. So now instead of half of A and half of B, we will write here 100 plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. So angle APB will be equal to 80 degree. Understood, children, what we have to do here?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay. May I proceed to next question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Now next question. Question is like that only. The above one. A, O, B. And this is C and this is D. So in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. And AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B. And they prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Try to solve it, children. Hurry up. Yes, beta, are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to find D and C.
Yeah, beta, you have to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, children? Pranav, Varshit, Gagna, Rudra, Sahiti, Charan, Zubair, Lasya, done? Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I said,
Ma'am, once can you explain this problem?
Yeah, beta. See, children, what we have to do here?
ma'am,
Here, we know that this is a parallelogram, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. So, in parallelogram, the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180, okay? So, angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Now,
yes.
OA is the bisector and OB is the bisector. Now, divide this equation by 2. Dividing by 2. On dividing by 2. Divided angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2 is equal to 90 degree. This is clear to all?
Yes.
Now take in triangle AOB. So half of angle A plus half of angle B. Because OA and OB are the bisectors. So you can write this when bisector term is there. Plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Triangle angle sum property, angle sum property. So now instead of this, what you can write? 90 degree plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Now transpose this 90 to the right hand side. So angle AOB will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 90 degree. Understood, children, what we have to do here? It was
Yes.
just as the previous question. Understood, Pranav, Varshit, Gagna, Rudra,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahiti, Lasya, Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is, may I proceed to next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now next is, the lengths of the diagonals of rhombus. The length of the diagonals of rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rhombus. Try to solve.
Ma'am, we have to make the 16 centimeters and 12 centimeters into half.
Yes, beta. Yes, because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, right? Then you will
So,
apply Pythagoras theorem.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the 22, ma'am. Can you please check in the chat box?
Yes, Pranav, correct.
Actually, I invented my own formula for this.
Yes, beta?
I invented my own formula for this.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent my answer.
Very good, Gagna, Charan. Yes, children. Sahiti? Sahiti, beta? Zubair? Zubair? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Then nowadays, you people are not replying. Why, beta? This is a rhombus. And diagonals are given. AC and BD. And we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So it means it is 8 centimeter, then it will also 8 centimeter. This is 6
Ma'am.
centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Now we have to find, yes, beta.
is it
Good
40
Sahiti.
centimeters?
Yeah. So we have to find this side. In rhombus, we know that all sides are equal. So suppose if we have got one side, then perimeter will be 4 into side only. So what we will do, you will write as diagonals bisect each other, as diagonals bisect each other, So AO will be equal to 6 centimeter, AO and OC. And OB is equal to OD is equal to 8 centimeter. And each other at right angle. So this is 90-degree angle. So in triangle AOB, children, I am asking this thing again and again. If this type of question came in 2 or 3 marks, just write each and every step. Clear, beta? So by Pythagoras theorem, AO square plus OB square will be equal to AB square. So 6 square plus 8 square is equal to AB square. So 36 plus 64 is equal to AB square. So AB square is equal to 100 and this implies the value of AB side is 10 centimeter. So perimeter will be 4 into side. So 4 times AB. So 4 into 10, it will be 40 centimeter. Got it, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Ma'am, for area of rhombus, it is half into diagonal 1 into
Yes,
diagonal 2, right,
half
ma'am?
into D1 into D2. Half into diagonal D1 into diagonal D2. Clear, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
So now may I proceed to next question?
Yes.
Okay. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 140 centimeter if one of the sides is longer than the other by 10 centimeter. Find the length of the sides. Calculate it fast. Very simple question. Solving, children. Done, children? Okay. Okay, let's check now. So in this, perimeter of parallelogram is given, right? And here longer side is other by 10. So let one side be x and then other side will be x plus 10, right? And
Yes,
in
ma'am.
parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are equal. So if this is x, then this is also x. And if this side is x plus 10, then this is also x plus 10. And we have given perimeter. Perimeter is given 140. Clear? So now add x plus x plus x plus 10 plus x plus 10 will be equal to 140. So x plus x plus x, so 4x plus 20 will be equal to 140. This implies the value of 4x will be 140 minus 20. So 4x will be equal to 120 degree. Oh, sorry, 120. Right, children? So value of x will be 120 divided by 4. So it will be 30. So sides are 30 and 40. Got it, children?
Ma'am, the longer side is 40, right, ma'am?
Yeah, beta. And shortest will be 30. Understood? So all have understood, children, what we have done today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So in next class, we will do more questions from this understanding quadrilateral. Okay, children? And I have few hot questions of this chapter. Clear, beta?
Okay.
Bye-bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye, beta. Bye-bye, all of you.